Getting feedback on your content can be a headache, but online proofing makes life easier for everybody who's involved. Hi everybody, I'm Peter from Filestage, and today I show you 4 ways how online proofing tools make feedback easier. Ready? What is online proofing? Before I start sharing with you our tips, let me explain what online proofing means. It's basically the process of sharing content for feedback and approval. It's popular with marketing departments, agencies, design studios, video production companies, and especially useful for distributed teams proving creative work. Now, let's dive into the reasons why you need an online proofing tool and how it can help you. Number 1. See what's happening all across your projects. Imagine if you could answer any questions about the status of your content within 10 seconds or 5. Sounds great, right? With online proofing software, you can. Pretty often checking the status of your content takes some serious detective work. You're probably wondering, has the version been approved? Has everyone seen it? Has everyone shared their feedback? With online proofing tools like Filestage, you can see the status of all your content from the project dashboard. This gives you a bunch of important information at a glance, including approval status. See which stakeholder groups have approved your content and which one still needs to give feedback. Review decisions. See whether each reviewer has given their approval, requested changes, or still needs to take a look. Due dates. See when feedback is due and find out who is holding up the review process. File status. See which files are in review, approved, or ready to be worked on. Version management. See which version is the latest and check who approved previous versions. Online proofing softwares help you to get clear feedback with full context. The truth is, usually reviewers struggle to share feedback with full accuracy. They waste a lot of time capturing screenshots, copying out timestamps, writing long descriptions that make sense to no one but themselves. And here's where online proofing tools show up and make it easy to give and receive feedback with pinpoint accuracy. Here are 5 Filestage features that help make comments clear. Markers. Tap anywhere on your content to create a marker, even if it's a video. Annotations. Draw on top of your content to perfectly illustrate your point. Highlights. Select a word or sentence you want to comment on. Strikeouts. Select a word or sentence you want to delete. Attachments. Add a reference or asset to your comment. With an online proofing software, you can also make sure that everyone is on the same page. Your stakeholders and clients have no time to read and understand everyone's feedback. They barely have time to give feedback themselves. And even if they want to see what others have said, they surely have trouble finding it. Online proofing puts transparency and collaboration at the heart of your feedback process. In Filestage, all stakeholders give feedback in the same place. So as they're watching your latest edit or reading your brochure, they'll see exactly which points other people have commented on. So, if they agree with something, all they have to do is give a thumbs up. And if they don't, they can add a comment and tag the other person to kick off a discussion in real time. Lastly, online proofing platforms help you manage versions and review rounds with ease. Version control is often out of control. There's no record of where your content began and how it developed. There's no history of who said what and how it impacted your work. Your versions all blend into an endless feedback loop. Online proofing tools automatically manage your versions so that everyone knows which one is the latest. Here's how Filestage helps with version management. Version history. Use the drop-down menu on your dashboard to revisit previous versions and check the content or comments. New version available. If anyone opens an old version of a file, a message appears to make it clear that there's a newer version. Auto-versioning. If you upload multiple new versions at once, they are automatically matched with files of the same name. Auto-compare text. You can highlight text changes from one version to the next. Everything that's been added will now be highlighted in green, and everything that's been removed from the previous version will be highlighted in red. Everyone faces problems in their feedback process, but few choose to do anything about it. I hope that I could help you to shine a light on these problems and figure out the solution. Thanks for watching, everybody, and don't forget to subscribe for more online proofing tips. Bye bye.